Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word evangelical. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Many evangelical Christians believe in the importance of spreading the message of Jesus to others. Evangelical refers to a type of Christianity that emphasizes sharing the gospel and personal salvation through faith in Jesus Christ. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.